Hey guys, I have a really fun gingerbread man ornament for you today. After I filmed this tutorial, I started playing around with a few additional designs to create a fun festive garland, so stay tuned for that in the next video. Alright, let's get started. For this tutorial, you will need brown felt, I got mine at Michael's, and a few feet of 3mm string in the colors hot chocolate for the base and then natural for the icing on top, and whatever other colors you'd like to create buttons and bows. I started by folding the felt in half and then cut out a shape that resembled a gingerbread man. I used that as my template, traced out a few more and cut them. Next, cut out and coil up some 3mm hot chocolate string to create the body, head, arms, and legs. You'll need 25 inches for the body, 18 inches for the head, 7 inches for the arms, and 9 inches for the legs. Glue the body to the felt first, then the head, arms, and legs. If you wanted, you could add string to the back as well. It will make your ornament a bit sturdier and completes a 360 look if you want your gingerbread man to be visible from the back. Add your details to the top. I added an icing face made out of 3mm natural string and 3 little buttons or bows using 5mm terracotta red string. Tie a simple knot with the terracotta red string and place it on your gingerbread man. Repeat 2 more times. Cut a 1-inch piece of 3mm natural string to use for the smile. To create the eyes, add some glue to the string and then fold the string on itself and cut it. Glue everything onto the gingerbread man. In the end, I decided to use only 2 of the buttons, so feel free to change it up as you see fit. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next one.